Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales, and today we have Cutebox for the month of March here. As you know, Cutebox is a jewelry subscription. It is priced at Rs 399 plus 50 shipping. But before getting started, they have some offers and all going on, so we'll take a look at that and then come back to the unboxing. And also there is a special giveaway in collaboration with Cutebox right now. March being the month of Women's Day and Women Empowerment, Cutebox is giving away one of their March editions to one of you guys, and the rules are pretty simple. Follow me on Instagram, follow Cutebox on Insta, follow their Facebook page, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. All the rules will be in the description box. This giveaway will run till March 20th, and we'll select one winner according to adherence to rules, and you will receive a Cutebox completely personalized as per your choice in the March edition. So that's pretty simple, right? And to finalize your participation, what you can do is you can comment in the description box of this video, or you can comment on Instagram. So yeah, that's it. If you go for 1 month, you pay 399 plus 50, that is 449 rupees. If you're going for 3 month subscription, you'll be paying 1350 including shipping, but the price is 1290. And if you're going for a 6 month subscription, you should be paying 2700 including shipping, but the discounted price is 2520. I have an extra surprise, a gift for you when you use the code CUTELEO. That is, if you go for a 3 month subscription, other than the discount, you will get one additional surprise with your first month. And if you're going for 6 months, you will get 2 additional surprises with your first month subscription. And the gift can be a jewelry or some other accessory, a hair accessory or something of that sort. So anyway, let's get started with the March box and see what we have. So this time they have a change in the packaging. Usually it used to be the plastic boxes, but this time it is a biodegradable box, and on top of that it's written Cutebox, and inside that we have all the products bubble wrapped nicely, and we have the info card as well. So, celebrating womanhood is a feeling of gratitude for each and every woman in her entire lifetime, be it professional or personal. So, it talks about Women's Day and why March is special. And we have 5 jewelry products inside the box. So, it's a good theme to go for in March. So, let's open up one by one and get started. The first jewelry piece that I received is a neck piece, and this is like a something like a temple jewelry, and it's a very beautiful design. As you know, it is a personalized box, so if you don't want temple jewelry, you have other options as well, which we'll see right after this. But I really like the neck piece, and it's very pretty. It is lightweight, and quality also seems to be good. And it is actually not very lightweight, sort of heavy for, for the look of it. Yeah, it is heavy. And this is how you can wear it. It's adjustable also. You can wear it near to your neck or like a long chain necklace. So this is my first jewelry piece. Haha, sadly, my background and my necklace is black. Jewelry is a pair of earrings, and this is how it looks like. You have again different patterns. You can go for this or a completely different, I think, a traditional pattern, and in the same pattern also you have color options, and I really like this. It's very cute, and it is not at all flimsy. It is strong, and yellow is such a beautiful color. You guys must already be knowing I love yellow and mustard shades, so I really had to grab these earrings. Very pretty, daily use, college going girls or whatever that is. I think this is like a timeless style. Anybody can use it. So this is my second pair of jewelry. The third jewelry piece that I got is a ring, again personalized, so it is sort of adjustable also, so that is convenient. And this is how the design looks like. It's like a double ring together. My fingers are a little chubby, so that is why it looks like this. I think it fits perfectly, and the design is also very cute. It has a flower and has a single stone, and the adjustable pattern is also very convenient. So this is nice. It's like a good party wear. Like, it looks like I'm wearing 2 rings, and I really like the design. It's pretty. The quality is also good, and also so far I like the versatility that Cutebox is offering in March. So this is my third jewelry piece. This is my fourth jewelry piece, and this is a pair of earrings, a very unique pair of earrings. This is like the double drop design. Double drop is pretty common these days, but this design is very unique. It has flowers. It is like a cloth material, and different color options are there, and a very cute design, and I really like it. Lightweight, totally my kind of design. I love such cute. I don't like studs basically, to be honest, but I like it when it has a cute touch to it, and I really like this one. The quality is also very good and not at all flimsy, and it's nice. Very pretty, and this is my fourth pair of jewelry. The last jewelry piece in March edition Cutebox is a bracelet. Again, different designs are available, and the one that I picked is Star and Stones. Star and Stones looks like a movie name. I mean, sounds like a movie name. So this is how the bracelet is. Again, a daily wear kind of bracelet, and this is how it looks like. I do wear bracelets like this. You can easily pair it up with your kurti or jeans or anything. It wouldn't look over the top. So the quality is also very good. I think it is most suited for college going girls, especially the box pricing is also such that it will be very affordable for you guys, and it's a nice one, a good one that you can definitely use, or maybe you can even use it as a single anklet if your feet is not very wide. So these are all the jewelry pieces that I got in my Cutebox March edition. And coming to how I like it, I received 5 jewelry pieces. And I think I like them because they're very unique, not the typical jhumkis or Afghanis or anything. I mean, if you want to go for something traditional, you can choose. But whatever I chose, I like. I like the fact that there is a mix of gold and jewelry, then a silver and a ring, a bracelet, a necklace, earrings. I see myself using all the 5 pieces. That is the thing that I like the most about Cutebox March edition. And I feel that it's a good deal. If you go for longer subscriptions, the discounts would even be better. So for the last 2 to 3 months, Cutebox has been really doing good, and this time also I can see that. So this is my review about March Cutebox. Let me know how you guys like the box and what do you guys think of it. So we'll meet soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.